Hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Alright, we're going to do a quick video for you on replacing your battery on your 4-button remote-headed key on your Ford. This task here will call for a flat tip screwdriver and your battery, which is a CR2032. I will also show you a little trick that we do. You can do also. If you don't have a flat tip screwdriver, get you a quarter. You know, with it being a Ford, gotta have that in case you need to call somebody. If you do have your key ring on here, you will want to take it off for this. If you notice at the top there's an opening, go and put your quarter in there and it sits just nicely. And go ahead and rotate your quarter, and you notice it just popped open. That's what you want it to do. Go and take your fingers, spread the two halves apart. If it doesn't want to, as you can tell, this one's here is giving me some resistance. Take that quarter and just run it up a little and twist it again, and the two halves come open. Now that you have it open, you see your batteries right here. If you have a fingernail, you can just lift it out like so. This is a new remote that we are using, so we're going to replace the battery. We're not going to replace this battery, but you will need to slide the battery in towards this area first to get it to go in. So with that, we'll put it down, push down and inward, now down, and it latches. Take the back of your remote housing, that rubber seal, make sure it's in there. This is what seals the two halves. Go ahead and squeeze the two together. You will hear it snap. You will have that gap along here, which is normal, but you have just changed your battery on your Ford using a quarter. Thanks for watching SgtLocksmith, and let's be safe out there.